Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get Hamster Combat Daily Combo. So, to find and use the daily combo in Hamster Combat, follow these steps. First, check the daily update. The daily combo consists of 3 specific cards that are updated daily. These cards must be identified in the game to earn rewards. Updates are typically available around 11 am, so staying informed is crucial. Now, second way to do this is locating the combo cards. Search for daily combo cards in game categories like PR and Team, Market, Legal, or Specials. Each card must be found and upgraded to unlock maximum rewards. Now, third way to do this is upgrade and use the cards. Once the cards are located, upgrade them strategically to maximize your earnings. Combining these cards correctly can unlock up to 5 million coins daily. Also, you should join the community or follow related platforms to receive updates and tips about the latest combos and strategies. So these were the ways through which you can get Hamster Combat Daily Combo. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.